Okay, what I have here is I have the motor out of my fan on my furnace. I pulled the armature out of it. There's 4 screws that hold it together. It comes apart like that. The back piece comes off of it, and then the armature comes out of it. Armature comes out of it, right? And then there's kind of a bearing here. It's just a plain bearing, but it has some cotton packing down in here. So what I did is I took my 3-in-1 oil and I put several drops of oil in there, and then the back also has a little cotton packing in it, and I put some oil in there. And what this is going to do is this is going to help lubricate this shaft, and it's going to help your motor to last a whole lot longer so it doesn't burn up. What happens is the bearings get hot, and the motor turns slower and slower while there's still electricity going through it, and then eventually it won't start. The capacitor will blow up, or the windings will cook. So we'll put this together, and let's make sure we know which side goes here, and this goes here. There's a specific way these screws go in there. There's a slot in the windings to the screw to go through. You can see the light through that one right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put these in here, put the bolts back together. It's kind of weird I'm doing this backwards because I didn't think about, it'd be a good idea to take and YouTube this. People might want to know how to fix their furnaces. Essentially, my furnace was making some noise. It was making some wop 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 kind of a noise, and the squirrel cage has a fan in it. The fan's right here, and it had a whole lot of mold and mildew and crap in it, and so I blew that all out with my pressure washer, and now I'm going to assemble this all back together and put it back in my furnace. Also, there was some mold buildup and some grime and stuff in the condenser. Condenser? No, it's not the condenser, it's the evaporator inside there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to clean that all out with some 409 and put it all back together. And what this is going to help you do is going to help preserve your furnace for a good long time and your air conditioner for a good long time. You can do this yourself with just some simple hand tools. Pretty much everything is 1/4 inch. All the screws and whatnot fit together with there, or a straight slot, I think. Okay, I'll get this back together and show you.